Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by securing your data and building the installer. Back up now, then create a bootable USB with the Ubuntu ISO. Once done, reboot and enter your firmware menu to confirm UEFI or legacy and secure boot status, because that affects boot behavior. Make sure the USB is first in the boot order, and do not waste time on optional tweaks. Start the installer immediately when the live menu appears. This gets you into the install environment fast and prevents common boot confusion. You will boot the USB and choose whether to try or install. Try if you need to confirm wireless or graphics. Once confident, start the installer and choose the installation type. Erase the disk for a single OS setup or pick something else to manually partition for dual boot. When partitioning, create an ext4 root, allocate a swap file or small swap partition, and optionally a separate /home for future upgrades. Then set your time zone, username, and let the installer copy files and configure grub. You complete the installer, remove the USB when told, and reboot into your new Ubuntu system. Sign in, then immediately run updates and reboot again to ensure kernel and driver consistency. Make sure to open the additional drivers utility to enable proprietary GPU or Wi-Fi firmware if performance is poor, and set up basic apps and backups. If the system won't boot, check UEFI boot order and secure boot settings. And if necessary, boot the live USB and run boot repair to reinstall grub. That usually fixes boot issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.